the 2019 Ram 3500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, variably intermittent wipers, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.